Welcome to students YouTube channel Lingareddy Chemistry JEE NEET hydrocarbons JEE PYQs we are going to discuss now. Saturated hydrocarbons lecture 2. Question number 1. Actually in the first video we discussed 7 questions. Now question number 8. Benzyl chloride can be prepared from toluene by chlorination with generally chlorination तो in the presence of chlorine होता है. Benzyl chloride we have to prepare from toluene. This is the toluene. So benzyl carbon, this is called benzyl carbon. Here chlorination means chlorine in the presence of light. In the presence of FeCl3 or AlCl3 is there, the chlorine substitution takes place on the benzene ring, that is called Friedel-Crafts halogenation. But in the presence of light, the chlorination takes place at benzyl position. So your answer will be C. And some more chances are there to first answer also SO2Cl2, because we can prepare from alkane to haloalkanes by this SO2Cl2. So, however, here only one option we have to give. So, C is the first preference. Then question number 9. Tertiary butyl magnesium chloride. You can see the structure here. Tertiary butyl magnesium chloride structure. Reaction with D2O. D2O I can write like this. D plus OD minus. See, in the Grignard reagent, this is the RMgX. R minus MgX plus. So this total is acting as stronger base. So this base is taking one proton and forming alkane. So here one D will come. That's only. The byproduct is MgCl and OD. Okay. So your answer will be CH3C. Taken thrice CD. Okay, A is the answer. Your answer will be A. Right? Next. Next question number 12. The compound which has one isopropyl group is, first you write the structure, then easily you can identify. Isopropyl मतलब just like Y shape होता है. That means in the chain last second carbon के ऊपर methyl group होना चाहिए. This is the isopropyl. See 2, 2, 3, 3 tetramethyl pentane. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 2 dimethyl, 3, 3 dimethyl. So कहाँ होगा? ये isopropyl नहीं है इसमें, A में. Then 2, 2 dimethyl. Whenever 2, 2 dimethyl means like this, it is a neo होता है इसका. This is called neo. Okay, iso नहीं है. So is also wrong answer. 2, 2, 3. Wrong answer. 2 methyl pentane. 2 methyl pentane. See 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 methyl. See this is a Y shape. लास्ट सेकंड कार्बन के ऊपर मिथाइल है. एक मिथाइल है तो इसका बोलते आइसो. 2 मिथाइल है तो बोलते नियो. ओके, राइट. सो योर आंसर विल बी डी. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 13. The highest boiling point is expected for. See, the boiling point is directly proportional to number of carbons. First of all, number of carbons. If number of carbons are same, then surface area. Right? See here, butane, octane, and tetramethyl butane, N-butane. So obviously your answer will be N-octane. Okay, number of carbons इसमें ज़्यादा है और surface area also maximum. So your answer will be B. Here your answer will be D. What is the reason? Surface area. Right? Next, question number 14. Which of the following compounds does not dissolve in concentrated H2SO4 even on warm? See, ethylene. Ethylene react with the concentrated H2SO4 and sulfonic acids are forming. And benzene sulfonic acid, aniline तो base है, obviously it will react with acid and forming salt. ठीक है, next C option is hexane. Hexane is just only hydrocarbon, that is alkane type. Okay, the alkanes are less reactive, so those are not react with acid or bases, so your answer is C. Your answer will be C. Alkanes are not react. Next, question number 15. The compound with highest boiling point, again same boiling point is directly proportional to number of carbons and surface area. Okay, 2-methyl butane, N-pentane, dimethyl propane, N-hexane. Obviously your answer will be N-hexane. 6 carbons are there, maximum surface area. Answer is D. Then marsh gas mainly contains, ये तो general question था, marsh gas methane. Marsh gas is methane. Next, yeah, these two questions, order change. When cyclohexane is poured on water, it floats because. It is simple, logically you can give the answer. Cyclohexane has boat form. Boat form है तो कैसे boat it can float? No. ये chair form, boat form का matter नहीं है. Cyclohexane is a crown form, कुछ नहीं है. Cyclohexane is less denser than the water. This is the main thing. Less denser compound obviously float. Okay. So your answer will be D. Then the CH bond distance is the longest in. Longest में generally क्या होता है? CH. Okay. CH sp3 में long रहता है, then sp2 है तो shorter होता है, then sp है तो more electron negativity smaller. Okay. So here decreasing होता है. So C2H2, the structure you write CH triple bond CH, C2H6, CH3, CH3, C2H4, CH2 double bond CH2, then C2H4 again similar. So CH bond, so here sp3 carbon and hydrogen, bond length is maximum, so your answer will be C. Next, integer answer type question. The maximum number of isomers including stereoisomers that are possible on monochlorination of the following compound is. First you write the following compound structure is this one, CH3 CH2 CH, ये मिथाइल ब्रैकेट में दिया मतलब वो सब्स्टिट्यूशन है, ऊपर लिखा मैं CH2 CH3. Now I written here A, B, C, again B, A and D. That means if you substitute chlorine on the A, this terminal carbon, or in this terminal carbon right side, both compounds are same. If you want, you can try it. You substitute here chlorine, write the IUPAC name, again you substitute here chlorine, write the IUPAC name, both names are same. Okay, suppose if I keep it here, chlorine, then what is the name? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pentane, 1 chloro, 3 methyl pentane. Suppose if I keep it here chloro, numbering will start from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1 chloro, 3 methyl pentane. Okay, that's why these both are same positions. Again this B position same, C position में different and D position different. So total 4 types. But here including stereoisomers पूछ रहे, so you can see here A position में chlorine, so one compound is giving, B position में chlorine, when I am keeping here, you can see here B product I written here. Here two chiral carbons are there, two chiral carbon. Whenever one chiral carbon is there, L comma D structures are possible. One clockwise rotation, the other one is anti-clockwise rotation. Okay, so here two, and one more chiral is there, again here also two, L comma D. Total B में four structures are possible. Okay, if you substitute chlorine at B position, you will get four stereoisomers. Next, C position में you can see here again it is also chiral carbon. Okay, only one chiral carbon, so two stereoisomers are there. Then if you substitute chlorine at D position, one isomer. Total 8 isomers numerical. So your answer will be 8. 8 is your answer. 8 isomers. Okay. So saturated hydrocarbons completed up to 1989. That means last 42 years questions completed of saturated hydrocarbons. Thank you. So alkanes, saturated hydrocarbons means alkanes generally, alkanes and cycloalkanes. Alkanes from 2019 to 1980, all questions we did, all questions completed. Okay. Now in the next video we can see alkenes and alkynes. Thank you. Watch the video, subscribe the channel.